So this time guys, since marami tayong pasta, gagawin natin siya fruit salad. Meron tayo ditong strawberries. Lagyan natin siya ng strawberries. Lagyan natin siya ng apple. Maganda ang apple na ito guys. Juicy. Juicy ang pangalan ng apple. Wow. It's really juicy. Hopefully it's juicy siya guys. And meron tayo ditong maraming grapes. So ito siya ang ilagay natin sa ating salad. What we're going to do today is to make it a fruit salad. Dessert siya guys with a twist. Dessert with a twist. Wala ito sa ibang bansa guys. Si Mami guys gusto itong macaroni salad. So this time, hindi tayo gamit na mayonnaise pa. Ang gagamitin natin ay sour cream and ang ating naiwan na condensed milk. Ayan siya guys. Last time, ang ginamit natin ay condensed milk and mayonnaise. But this time, sour cream and condensed milk. Okay. Meron tayong raisins, fruit cocktail, pineapple slices, meron din tayong coconut syrup. Ang gagawin natin sa ating dressing is sour cream and condensed milk. Lahat ng condensed milk, guys, are all sweet. You see, sweetened condensed milk. Hello mga kaibigan! Andito na naman si Mommy. So ngayong hapon, i-share ko sa inyo ang aking macaroni fruit Hawaiian salad. Ooh. Macaroni Hawaiian salad. Let's make it short guys. Okay, would you like some, Dad?
Yes.
Ooh. Daddy wants some. Okay. There you go. And for me. Oh.
So if I was going to be a voice actor, I'd be a voice actor from one of those movies I saw in school when I was growing up. If you are an alien, you are required to report to the...
Is that Men in Black or something? That sounds
You know what?
You are required to submit your form to the United States Post Office. Aliens without form should materialize and present themselves to the United States Post Office.
I was once an alien, and now I'm naturalized American. Is that how you call it? Oh, okay. So I was once an alien, guys. Now I'm American. So let's see if this macaroni, of course, salad is so yummy. Ayaw ito naman ako dahil may pasta and cheese. Why there's pasta and cheese in the fruit salad? This is Filipino salad. This is a Filipino fruit salad, a fruit macaroni salad. But this time is like a Hawaiian because I use sour cream.
You don't put the nuts in there?
Oh,
No,
Walnuts?
you can use your walnut. I miss the
It's up to
walnuts.
you.
Well, too much. Yeah, this is fruit without nuts. So that you will call it macaroni fruit salad.
It's almost like a Waldorf salad.
Oh,
Got cheese in it?
Yeah,
yeah.
half of those cheese.
What kind of cheese?
Yeah. Cheddar.
From the
Cheese.
hard block?
The hard black cheddar cheese.
Interesting. Good. Very good.
It is good. Yeah.
You got mayonnaise in this, yeah?
No.
No? What makes it, oh, sour cream?
Yeah.
Sour cream.
Not
This is great. This is very good. This Filipino though?
Yeah.
But this time I used the Hawaiian style sour cream instead of mayonnaise. It's a little bit of healthy side of it
Yeah.
because it's sour cream.
I think it tastes great. It's got some sweetness. I don't know. It's just very good. Just
Yeah.
like this.
I have pineapple.
I've never
I
had
have
this. but
coconut gel.
the macaroni works great.
Waldorf have
It was good that you put the
Well-
macaroni in the refrigerator and then
And
mix
cold.
it up cold. That way your salad becomes cold, which it needs to be to preserve it.
yes, it is.
So if you use cold ingredients, your salad ends up cold, which is a good thing. Because if you make a bunch of this warm, then try to cool it off, it takes forever.
Yeah, it takes forever. And you know, the fruit will not be. What is. This is Hawaiian fruit salad. Macaroni Hawaiian fruit salad. What we name this is macaroni fruit salad. That's it. This is good, guys, because you can bring this one to the party and it is so yummy. It's very cheap. You just use canned fruits. I use pineapple and fruit cocktail. That's very cheap, you know. And then to some of your cheese. If you have cheese, then go ahead. If you don't have cheese, fine. And since it is like a Hawaiian salad, guys, a little bit Hawaiian salad, we have pineapple and coconut gel. Oh, that makes it so yummy. And of course, macaroni. That makes it macaroni Hawaiian fruit salad. Oh. There are two ingredients that makes this Hawaiian salad: the coconut gel and pineapple. For our dressing, guys, I add sour cream and 1/2 cup of condensed milk. Ayan, so make it a little bit sweet, you know. Instead of mayonnaise, I omit the mayonnaise, but I replace it with sour cream. Para healthy naman siya. Mayonnaise is 1 tablespoon is how much is that calorie?
One tablespoon or 100.
1 tablespoon of mayonnaise is 100 calories, guys. To omit those, itong salad ko, guys, itong fruit salad natin, guys, is without mayonnaise, but I use sour cream. Ayan siya. And then 1/2 of your condensed milk. Oh, it is so yummy. Dahil why? 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise is 100 calories. Duh. So in order for this to make it a little bit healthier, I replace the mayonnaise into a sour cream. To us Filipinos, if you don't have sour cream in your store, there is a yogurt. So just use yogurt. That's it. Use yogurt, or if wala, just use condensed milk. But i-listen lang ninyo ang condensed milk dahil sweet, you know. So this is good, guys. Macaroni Hawaiian fruit salad. Yum yum. More.